Get that truck tire all the line. Watch the feeder.
The ultimate feel-good application, turning waste into safety for children.
This facility diverts 10 million tires per year from landfills and 200 million pounds of bones per year from waste streams.
In a specialized reactor, crumb rubber is mixed with proprietary chemical agents and subjected to heat and shear forces.
Keep it coming slow. Watch your side.
Okay, easy now. That looks flush. Set it down.
Transforming bone into a powerful material for cleaning the very air we breathe.
pull it tight on your side.
Okay, hit the stake now.
We need another mat over here.
A process of renewal, not recycling. The ultimate form of tire recycling. Reusing the casing up to 3
Sophisticated, clean wellness from waste.
In a traditional soap-making vat, refined tallow is mixed with lye and water. The mixture is heated and stirred.
Introducing smart technology that maximizes efficiency and value from the very first step.
When we compare the life cycle, the choice is clear. Recycling avoids the pollution of landfills and the high carbon
Look at that reduction, 3 to 5 decibels easily.
That is a noticeable improvement.
Precision agriculture.
The analysis confirms that the levels are well below the EPA safety thresholds. It is completely safe for soil and groundwater.
Our national network efficiently transforms waste into valuable resources. Collection points feed into regional
As demonstrated here, the rubber powder quickly binds the oil, creating a recoverable resource.
The facility supports local jobs for machinists, chemists, truck drivers, salespeople, and safety officers. While tire dumps pose a significant fire risk, processed rubber chips stored in fire bays are safe and controlled.
There is no way. We don't make waste, we make feedstock. Our goal isn't just to manage waste.
U.S. tire recycling totals 280 million tires per year. Global Ring recovered animal byproducts annually. This is modern alchemy. This is essential work. This is the future.
We believe waste equals food. The tire feeds safety and play. The bone feeds growth.
Today's recycling prevents the need for tomorrow's mining of our own wasteful past.
The steel wire provides such incredible tension against the polished bone ash.
And the resin really highlights the texture of the rubber crumbs.
Look at the pitting here. The degradation is accelerating. Yeah.
Yes, the enzymatic breakdown is highly efficient at this temperature.
The road you drive on contains their rubber. The sugar in your coffee was filtered by their bone. The pipes under your feet are cushioned.
It takes discipline and focus to keep these machines running smoothly.
The veterans we hire bring exactly that mission-driven mindset to recycling.
The old model was a disposal cost, but the new model transforms waste into a significant revenue stream. It just makes financial sense.
We call it the full circle ranch because we return everything to the soil. The bone meal fertilizes the pastures, creating a sustainable cycle.
As you can see, the recycled rubber is combined with the bone meal right here.
Oh, I see. So that's how it binds together.
How does the tensile strength compare to virgin polymers?
A global challenge requires a global solution. Across continents,
The ultimate vision. Our two stories are not separate. They're parallel pathways in the design of a sustainable human ecosystem.